What's going on, everybody? What's going on? What's going on? We about to get right on into this not market breakdown, live session. We're gonna see what's up though. About to get right on into it. Let me get this green up. Where's my camera? There we go. Oh man, we about to get right on into this. About to get right on into it. All right. Now that I stretched, let's get to the breakdown. What's going on? What's going on?
Another week, new pips.
No cap. About to get right on into it. All right. So we are on NAS 100 right now. We about to mark up the previous day's highs and lows. All right, so we got the previous day's low and the previous day's high. It's already been ran through, so there's going to be already a potential chance that price is going to show willingness to want to retrace and have a reversal, or price is going to continue with this uptrend. So that's the first thing that I'm going to keep in mind. I'm keeping in mind that right here, we did make this high the day at 4 in the morning after clearing this previous day's highs liquidity, and then we came down and ran these lows. So that's something I'm going to be keeping in mind before I look at any of that. I'm going to mark up the 12 a.m. open, which is right here. So this also came above the 12 a.m. open, making the high of the day. Also, now I'm also going to put up the Asian session range, which is going to be right here. So we cleared the Asian session high along with the previous day's high. So there is going to be a chance of a potential reversal already, just based off of what I'm looking at. So now let me go to the higher time frames. Let's go to the daily. Yeah, prices. Previous days price was bearish. Previous day was bullish, not bearish. I'm trying to. Where are we trading? We're trading within this area right here. We're going to have to see how price respects this. So let's get a little bit lower. Yeah, it's showing a willingness to potentially want to have this drop. So we did break this previous candle's lows, but we are rejecting it now also. Anything could happen right now. We could either start to drop, and then ideally price is gonna try to fall below the Asian session lows because those areas haven't been targeted yet. Let me see. We cleared this low down here. Let's get the 50% of the Asian range. Came right in between there. Yeah, price looks like it has a willingness to want to potentially come lower. It looks like it's having this retracement.
See it.
It's having this retracement from this high, which is currently the high of the day, to this low, which is currently the low of the day. So anything could happen right now. Let me go to 30-minute time frame, hour time frame. We have this 1 hour order block right here also. Yeah, I can see price having that willingness to come lower. Let me look at where we are price wise, and we are at the 14,500 level. Yeah, it's looking bearish from here. Honestly, I don't want to be looking for sells just because what the previous day's candle was bullish, but at the same time, not looking very bullish right now. Not looking very bullish right now. Let's just see how price respects this area. If it keeps showing a willingness. You said what?
I feel like if we just have to see what happens, but like a good entry might be the Asian session high around the 12 a.m. open, a little bit higher. And
Yeah,
even if you
potentially.
targeted the Asian session lows, that's still 150 points almost. Good
Yeah.
move.
Still just gotta wait at the end of the day. Anything could happen. Let's check US 30. Do the same exact thing. Previous, I did that reverse. Just like this. Previous is high. This is the previous is low. Let's get the Asian session. Just like that. It looks like it's similar. I figured they would look very similar. This one we created the high of the day. 1:15 in the morning with a wick clearing the previous day's high, and we ran the Asian session low already. Let me see. Make this orange. Get the 12 a.m. open. Which is right here. Same situation. High of the day. Clear the Asian session high and the previous day's high. So I'm more than likely, I want to say I'm bearish, but at the same time, everything's looking more bearish than bullish. So I'm going to keep this in mind. Got that high of the day.
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me
Maybe
pull a
try to
fib
grab liquidity.
from the previous day's low. See where this goes.
Oh, we still got a
We
day.
have that. From here to here. Let's see. Now let me look at where we are price wise also. So we have 34,800, which almost got tapped into. Did it? Nah, it did. It did get tapped into it. So then we have 34,500, where price is trading right above right now. 34,200. And then right in here we have 34,400. Gonna make this one black. And then right in here is 34,600. I'll make that black just because it's in the middle of all of them. And then down here we have 34,000, which is ideally going to be a target if price wants to continue lower. That's ideally where I would target long term. So yeah, it's looking very similar to US 30, not US 39. So if I do this, pull the fib from here to here, we are rejecting the 38.20% and the Asian session low, and we about to tap into 34,600. So there's already a potential chance that price is going to have the willingness to want to come lower. So as of right now, I am pretty bearish on everything, even though I'm kind of going against the previous day's trend. I might just end up just lowering the lot size, not the lot size, lowering my risk just since it's Monday and I'm going against the trend. But the setup overall looks bearish, but then again, higher time frame 4 hour is rejecting to the top side. We'll see.
Is there any breaker blocks on like a higher time frame?
For what? Target?
Oh no, I guess higher time frame wouldn't make sense in like a day like today because
Nah, there's no. Only one is right here.
That are like 1,000-point moves. Those are very, very rare.
Yeah. Shit, we don't need 1,000 points though. We just need like 100. But just the way this is rejecting, it looks more likely to continue bullish than bearish right now. So if I was to go long, where would I want to go? Let's pull the fib from this low to this high. Looks like price tapped into it already. Down here. Get rid of this 38.20% level. Looks like price tapped into this down here. Clear the liquidity below this low. I could be bullish. If it does go bullish, all I would potentially look to do is just wait for this to have a retracement to go higher. That's the only way I would look for a buy in this situation right now. Yeah, that's the only way I would be looking for a buy. And how do you find confirmation on US 30 with it being set up like that? How do you know it's rejecting? It's with candles. Candles is how you could tell if it's rejecting, by looking at the wicks. And how do you find the confirmations? It's certain confirmations that I look for in setup. So if you go to it's one of my setup videos on YouTube. It's one of the two setups you need. I go over the two setups I look for, and I go over what I look for and the characteristics of each. If that'll probably be helpful. But yeah, just understanding it's rejecting is just looking at candles, honestly. But look at this candle. You could just, I don't know how to describe it. Maybe because I'm more educated and I can't really like explain it, but it's just the candle wicks. That's how you could tell it's rejecting. And just looking at it from this time frame, it's just pretty damn bullish. About to start clearing this previous day's high, keeping this trend. 4 hours about to close bullish. We'll see. We'll see where price wants to go to. Price either gonna US30 is either gonna come to 34,700 or 34,600, and then slowly start to try to reverse from there if it is going to stay bearish. But if it stays bullish, then it's more than likely just gonna continue up from here, and then I'll just have to wait for potential retracement, because at the end of the day we are making the low of the day in here too, so we also should be looking for potential buy scenarios within it, anticipating that price has that willingness of wanting to go higher, and I should be waiting for signs of it. Over here it's already kind of significantly pushing higher, so if I wanted to get in, I'll probably just have to wait for it to potentially maybe retrace back into here or something. But right now I'm just waiting. We'll see what happens. Been on a lower time frame. And yeah, we had this break of structure here, and then price retrace. Could have got an entry around 34,500 for a buy. Which is a daily breaker block?
I kind of the last down candle before the whole move up, and then you had the consolidation, and then you had the expansion downward.
Is that the box? Is that the box?
Yeah.
It could, but if you send it on the daily time frame, because it's on a lower time frame, so I can't really tell if it is or not. It looks like somewhere one would be, but I just need to see it on the daily time frame first. Which one? This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's rejecting it. It rejected it before though also, so keep that in mind. It rejected it before, came back lower, and now we're coming up for a second time. So the likelihood of it rejecting is possible. It will be less likely, even though it is possible though.
But the candles are saying bearish right now, and it already tapped into it once, and that's that liquidity grab. May go try to grab it, but right now we're waiting for candles to print and give us a high confluence, high probability, money making opportunity.
What's this right here?
It's above the pre. It's
up here.
Above everything. It's a good time to. If you were to one were to sell, it would be a little bit higher, right?
Yeah, but if it comes into here, then that's a big ass range too. That's a 300 pip range that you'll be trying to anticipate where it's gonna reverse at. So you would have to either go with big figure levels of 3,600, 14,600, 14,700. You would probably just wait for this high to get cleared, potentially wait for it to tap into this, but it looks like it tapped into it before, so it could tap into it. But ideally, I'm either looking to short in here or I'm looking to go long in here. Anywhere else, I'm just not gonna bother.
Okay.
Ain't no point. I'd rather take the trade within the consolidation, trying to get the expansion. But yeah, we're losing momentum slowly, so if we can get a bearish engulfing in this area, that would be a good sign that I could potentially be getting what I'm looking for within this area. So within this whole area, I'm just looking for reversal signs to see if it's going to keep that overall downtrend. So what I'm just going to be looking for, I'm going to be looking for a break of structure. So ideally, I want to see these lows get ran through. Then I want to see a potential, say, retracement, to at least show the willingness of price wanting to come the opposite direction. But it is rejecting, so I'm gonna see. What time is it? We still got 15 minutes. I'm gonna see how this 5-minute candle closes. So I'm gonna get water real quick. I'm gonna see how this 5-minute candle closes, because if it closes in engulfing, it will be a good sign that we might get what we want to see. But we'll see. Give it like 2 minutes. Stretch my legs.
Hey.
Look at that. All right, so see that's bearish now.
Yeah, just gotta wait for that retracement that you're talking about.
Or I could wait for US 30.
Oh,
One or the other. We'll see.
or that buy opportunity if it goes back into your buy zone, right? That's another one that you were looking for too.
Yeah, but the way this willingness is happening, it looks more likely to be bearish, especially because we got this reaction here. All right, now that I got what I waited for, now I wait for retracement. Simple as that. Ideally, I'm gonna get in at the 38.20% just in case it doesn't have that full retracement. But now I'm gonna just wait. We'll probably have a reaction here. If we do, that's what will bounce us into our area to get a sell opportunity. Whatever happens, so we got time. That's why I've been trading that. It's like US 30 says here. It's just,
Hasn't, I don't know, man. I think feel like the all psychology, man, and people start talking like you talk, like, oh, Nas is straight, and then people start seeing those moves, and US 30, that clear and concise, smart trader money concept, getting people smacked.
how wide is 15 pips? See, so much better than US 30. So much better. I could have a 30 pip with stop loss with ease. Let me check US 30. Let me see how big the stop loss is. God damn! See, this is what you talking about, man. 70. Fuck out of here. Fuck you. Back over here.
This is that's good information, man. I didn't know that. Oh, okay, it's almost close to the 38.
Should I get in at the 38? What would my stop loss be? I could risk 30 pips easily. Let me see. Get MetaTrader open. All right, let's see. We're gonna come to 38.20%. Ideally, want to come somewhere in here, filling this fair value gap a little bit.
Okay.
Right in here. I can come like right in there. What level? 450. 500 is right up there. I'm gonna have my stop loss above it. Where's 450? And we really in deep in this. I think the 62% is actually will probably be a good area. Let's see how it react here though. That's bullish. Let me make sure everything is looking bearish. We could easily come back into a wick. We'll have to see if we reject this order block one last time though. Yeah, I think that would be a good area. Get in here with the bottom. Damn, I could have 20 pips. Damn, I could really have a good stop loss with this trade. 20 pips, and that's still above the high. So even if I cuts here, I can cut it off short. Not sniper, but it's just like if it really runs, the risk reward would be amazing.
Yeah.
Let's see if this has an engulfing though. I want to see it come to 62%. If it comes to 62%, oh yeah.
Come on.
It's low time frame. Let's just be mindful. In fact, I'm gonna pull it from this 5-minute candle. 38.20% right there. I'll give it time. I'm gonna let it have its time to retrace. I ain't gonna try to just jump in yet. Unless we close bearish like that. That could be a sign. Maybe it's falling. I don't know, but I'm gonna wait. Could just fall from here. If I missed it, I missed it. Looks like we might have missed it. I don't know. I didn't feel comfortable getting at the 38.20%, even though I wanted to. I don't know. It looked like it had a willingness to come a little higher.
But it might just be a little. It might go up, honestly.
Could. Who knows?
US 30. Let me check US 30.
Yeah, it's just a solid day.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, just is dropping.
Uh,
Mm-mm-mm-mm-mm-mm. Mm-mm-mm-mm. 15 minute, we just got a engulfing on the downside. Uh, so that's a good bearish sign. I'm looking for retracement though. So now at any moment, price could easily start to go the opposite direction, which isn't ideal. Yeah, it looks like it's just gonna keep falling. If we don't get a retracement, it is what it is. That looks like it might have been an up candle right there. Oh yeah, 38.20% rejection. Just keep falling. That happen. We'll see. Worst comes to worst, I'll wait for the open and just get a retracement on that 15 minute engulfing and let it come back up there. How's the hour looking? The hours looks like it's almost an engulfing also. Yeah, everything's looking bearish. US 30 is starting to move bearish. Direction more than likely, like I said, is still gonna be bearish right now. It's just more or less getting an opportunity to enter.
yeah. Yeah.
Listen. Yeah, US 30's falling, but still in this overall consolidation. Where's it gonna retrace to potentially? I would ideally want to see a retrace to 62%, clear these highs, then retrace. That would be the ideal scenario for me personally. Might not happen, but we'll see. We'll see. Oh, man.
Yeah, my 1-to-1 is right in that order block, bullish order block. So as soon as it gets to 1-to-1, I'm moving stop loss to break
No, you
even.
already got him.
If it wants to travel higher, and if it does, well then shit. But if it travels lower for the rest of the day,
Where you
I'll just
getting at?
trail and take partials.
I said, where you getting?
Um, 14479.8.
Where at?
On
Is
the
that on
FTR
your
order.
FMO? Where you get at on trading chart?
I would say at 14,384. 14,384.
What the hell? 14,384 for what? A
I'm
buy
using
or short?
I'm using US 100 cash CFD Global Prime.
3.8 what? You said 3.8.
385.
So like here.
Yeah,
So you're
like
in
as it was
drawdown right
going
now.
a little bit. Oh no, I'm in a little bit of profit, so it's just barely. But I would say it's probably like a pip or two. Now I'm in some drawdown
All right. All right. So you're in like right here.
by like a pip. Yeah, just going back and forth right now. Red and blue. Now it's a little red. Stop loss. I have it at 14.5 on the broker FTMO.
70.50% is
That way.
ideally where I'm trying to go short at. We are rejecting this order block though. It's something to keep in mind, but I do think we are. Mm, 15 minutes starting to look bullish again. I don't know. We'll see. We will see. I do want to stick to the sell bias at the same time, but it is looking like it is a bullish as a motherfucker.
Yeah, that is, bro. Look,
Alright, we're rejecting that. So that's a good sign.
is that 62% where you said you would have entered at?
Yeah,
Or
but I'm
sell?
just letting it wait right now. I'm trying to see
Oh,
how it closes in 20 seconds.
makes sense. The volume's about to kick in too.
Yeah, we got 4 minutes, but it is rejecting after clearing that high side is a good sign.
Yes, buddy.
Trying to wait. I don't know. All right, I'm gonna get in now. Just because I'm getting try to get in right as close as possible to this order block, and I'm gonna have a
Okay.
20 pip stop loss. So I got in at 482,
Nice.
482 minus, no, it'll be plus 20, 502. We'll see what happens. Got 20 pip stop loss, so it's right above the high, so I still got a good amount of room. If it shows a willingness to go higher, I'll at least be able to get out a little earlier. So worst case scenario, I don't take the full loss. Best case scenario, I could potentially, like I said, I'm targeting agent session low, potentially 1 to 5 trade if it plays out in its best ability, but anything could happen. Let's see what happens. Yeah, it's pushing. We'll see. Oh yeah, it's pushing. It's looking real bullish right now.
Well, that is what it is.
Yeah, I don't know. Depending on how this closes in 30 seconds, if it closes bullish above these fib levels, I'm probably gonna debate about closing it. Not what I want to see rejection wise. Candle closures are not what I wanted to see. Still got 50 seconds, but I don't know, 50 seconds. We'll see what happens.
Only risking 30 pips, so compared to like a 100 pip day, no, risk 30 pips sounds nice.
The more, every time it breaks a new high, the candle is more likely price is going to come to stop loss. So I need price to start showing a willingness of going the other direction and not continuing to make new highs. And until I get that, this is more going to be a losing trade, but that's why you manage risk. We'll see. Still got until the open, but at the end of the day, the open has a lot of volume, so it could easily just wick up, clear the liquidity, and come stop us out, and then fall even lower, even if it wants to go higher or come lower. Let's see how it reacts to 34,500 first. 14,500. All right, the opens here, but it's looking pretty bullish. Not gonna lie. Yeah, I'm like right near that stop loss. I would need price to really start melting right now to save my ass.
Yeah, looking at it.
Yeah, it doesn't look like it is. It's probably gonna stop me out. Yeah. All right, I took the L. This is just flying. What a dud. Oh, look at that.
Yeah.
Cleared the high. If it keeps showing this willingness, I'm gonna keep looking for shorts within this area though. Depending on how high it goes. If it keeps going that high, I'm not. But if it shows a willingness to reject coming down lower, potentially. But I kept the loss under 1%, so we'll see. I'm not gonna force this trade. US 30 falling. Oh, look at that. Doing opposites today, huh? Alright, we're getting that drop. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Get that retracement. Come on, get that retracement. Come right back into here. How big of a stop loss would this be if I got in right here? Damn, don't do this.
It's too good. Dude, that's fucked up.
Yo, every time. Exactly what I said. King got the liquidity, stopped me out, and it kept going. Yeah. God damn. Literally by pips. Tough. Very tough.
Cause I got in early. Motherfucker. Like you. Okay. Learn a little.
That shit dropping. Damn. That shit dropping. What the fuck? Yeah, this trade is going down. This would have been the best trade right here, but I don't think there's going to be a retracement at this point. Yeah, this is not looking like it's going to have this retracement. Yeah, goddamn. That shit. US 30 ain't even fall that crazy. Let's see, is it gonna have a retracement or is this gonna keep falling? Once it gets to 14,000, I'm 14,400. I'm just done. I'm not gonna even look for any more trades, sell wise. We can get a retracement back up here. That would be a great re-entry. Anything lower, I'm not really comfortable with that. Filling this for value gap. And then how big was stop loss? 30 pips, ideally. Or it could just reject this low down here, but ideally I want to see it come a little bit higher into it. Alright, and we're coming into it. I want to see it fill in this candle. This is really flying now. See what's 30 still dropping? Oh, that's really rejecting. Fill the fair value gap. Yeah, I don't know. It's kind of, it looks like it's want to flip bullish now. That's what it looks like it's trying to do. This looks like it just got a good buy opportunity. This is wild right now. I gotta get lower into this. This is, hold on, I gotta get rid of all this shit. Yeah, it's flying now. It looks like it's gonna flip bullish.
There's that daily order block. I mean breaker block. It might try to target.
Maybe, but if it clears this high, I'm not gonna be looking for any more shorts.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's looking bullish now. I don't even think shorting's even worth the possibility at this point. Let me see from this high to here.
It closed like that too.
Yeah, closed bullish. I don't know like how this is playing out. US30 looks like it could start to fly at this point. I'd fucking rather take a buy on US30 than look for anything else. Or my stop loss on US30 even be? God damn, bro. Like, these ranges are too fucking wide. Now that we got this breaker structure, what I would do for US30 is potentially wait for a retracement to get back in to go long. NAS is kind of just, I don't feel comfortable doing anything on that right now. But if we get this retracement at least down to 34,500 or some sort, and I can have my stop loss below this low, I think that would be something ideal. But if I don't get this situation, then even this is like 60 points. Like, damn, bro.
Yeah, I gotta kind of what happens when we miss the? Is that FOMO that? No,
But
we're just trying to analyze and see when a good opportunity is.
nah, I got enough risk. Ain't none of this FOMO. I got a daily risk for a reason. Let me see. Yeah, over here it's just kind of shitted. This looks like it's just gonna keep flying. And if this keeps flying, US30 is probably gonna fly. I want to be able to catch a retracement before it flies. And ideally, target 34,700. But if it just flies, no retracement, then I'm done. I'm not taking no other trade.
Nas hit that 50% and previous day high and took off, bro.
No cap. Yeah, US30 are my last hope. Get this long. Potentially target 34,700. Come on, US30. Just, I don't know. I don't think it's going to retrace at this point. It wants to, but it's struggling. Yeah, and this is just bullish. Come on, US30. Just a little bit lower. Right down here. Come on. There we go. Come on. Looks like it's rejecting the 38.20%. Now it's just pushing. Come on. What you trying to do here, man? What you trying to do here? Come a little bit lower. Retest 34,500. 34,500, man. I don't know. It's rejecting this pretty nicely. Nah, it's pushing 38.20% rejection. It could still go higher, but I don't know if I feel comfortable because it could still retest 34,500. Because if I get in now, there's a chance it could come stomp me out. Stop loss is going to have to be a little tighter here. I'm going to just wait for it to come to 34,500. If it doesn't, well, I'm done. Yeah, looks like it's going to be out of there. Yeah, that's gone. Oh, it doesn't look like we're going to get that retracement. Maybe. Yeah, this is why US30's not been traded, man. Nas over here had like 3 different moves before US30 had one.
Yeah.
Mm. Nas is just flying. Just flying. And US30's just nothing. Come on, man. At least just come down to the entry. Something. Don't feel like waiting here. All my homies hate US30. Yeah, well, I like US30 just because I know it. But as of like this year, hasn't been trading. So the way I like it. Ain't nothing we could do about that. Mm-mm. Like, damn, bro. What the fuck is this?
Choppiness.
This fucking price action's hot dog water. What is this? Come clear these lows, tap in this order block, maybe retrace 34,500, and then we can go higher. Come on. You know you want to. Up. Breaking another high. God damn. There we go. All right, come on. We can get to 34,500. I'm gonna try to go long. Come on. All right, I went long. Stop loss below the low. Let's see. This is the last trade I'm taking. See if it plays out.
Good entry.
Ideally, gonna target 34,700. Let's see. We got some rejection, which is nice. I got in around here. Ideally targeting 34,700, but whatever happens, happens. One to one, I'm breaking even. We'll see what happens, man. Now we wait. Now we wait. Nah, it's still pushing. Let's see you asserting. Follow along bullish, the bullish trend. Don't be a bitch today. Follow the bullish trend.
What happened? You agree?
At least a stop loss, I was able to get it below 34,500. So if it comes down to it, it might just consolidate above it. But if it comes even lower, shit, man. At that point, you asserty, you not on my hit list, man. It's consolidating, it's rejecting. I see the willingness to move higher. We just gotta wait for that momentum to kick in. Let's light a candle, you know, maybe set the mood a little bit, you know?
Hey, I'll be right back. Oh yeah.
Set the candle. Come on, you asserty. Come on, this is for you. This is for you. This is your candle right here. Right there for you. Come on, soak it in. Soak it in. You know you want to go higher, not lower. Ugh. Back to entry. Come on, you was dirty. Don't be like that, man. Don't be like that. entry's like right here. Nas is rejecting. Come on, US30. Nas already has his push though. I need you to have your push. You wanna get it here maybe? I need you to engulf a candle, man. Need you to engulf, man. There we go. Nice shot. Now keep on going. Keep on going, my guy. Need you to go for these highs, my guy. Go for these highs. It's a 1-to-1. Go for them highs, and we'll be alright. There we go. Keep on flying. Come on. Stop playing. We're break even now. I'm trying to get to that TP2 though. Come on, get that TP2. Trying to go for 34,700 at least. Oh yeah. I need to keep on moving just like this. Caught the bag. I'm out. Good looks, Andre. Appreciate it. Hope you had a good day. Just make sure, stay disciplined, stay consistent. Come back again tomorrow. We lit. Alright, we're probably gonna get to a retracement right here. Hopefully we can stay above 34,600 though. Ideally. Try to get that TP2. We're close to it. We're break even, so worst comes to worst, I just take it off when it starts coming down here for a little bit of profit. But regardless, we can't lose this trade, so I'm just waiting to see if it goes to our second TP so I could take some partials off. Nas pushing. Yeah, they're still good on the higher time frame. Just keep in mind, this is a 1-minute retracement. Hopefully just rejects around 38.20% and continues higher from there. Or it just keeps rejecting 34,600. Either one, but I'm giving it room to retrace if it needs to. But I overall still want to get up here to the main target. Come on, stay above 34,600. Hold that support. Hold it. Hold it. So I'm looking at this based off the 15-minute. Everything's extremely bullish. We still got 4 minutes on this close, so I want to see it continue at least pushing. If we can clear this high with the 15-minute closure, I think we'll be good to hit this target. Come on, US30. Show me what you used to be made of, man. Look at Nas. Look at Nas, man. This could be you, US30. This could be you. You want the candle? I know you like the candle, my guy. There we go. Keep on pushing. Patiently waiting for TP2, man. Come on, man. So close, but so far. Alright, 38.20% retracement now, maybe. Doesn't look like it wants to hold 34,600. US30, you're being a little bitch. Come on. You fucking Nas flew so high and you're over here struggling to fucking fly 100 pips. Like, damn, boy. It's a bad look for you, US30. You getting shitted on by Nas lately. Gotta pick up your speed, man. I ain't gonna stick with you too much longer if you keep acting like this. No cap. Come on, stay above 34,600, man. Stay above. Yeah, we're coming back to that 1-to-1. God damn it, bro. US30's just been so shitty to trade, bro. I really just don't enjoy trading it right now. High time frames are so damn bullish, and it's struggling so hard just to stay above this damn level. Like, damn, bro. Look at Nas. This fucking... Bro, look... What are you doing to US30? Like, damn, bro. How could you be so out of the mix? At least just get to my 34,700. Like, damn, that's all I'm asking for. That's all I'm asking for. Just want to get that TP3, and then we could be done, man. It could be so simple. It could be so simple. Come on, man. I'm telling you. It's the candle. Yeah, that's what you like, don't you? That's what you like, don't you? Fucking freak. Fucking freak. Freaky little bitch, man.
There we go.
Freaky little bitch, man. Stop it. Just go to 34,700. You could drop from there, man. Shit.
Same with fucking Nas, bro. 700 is a nice little TP.
Yeah, but even though with Nas, that shit flew. Like, damn. Damn. I'm up 106 pips, man. I'm just trying. I'm not even at TP2. Like, struggling so bad. Just keep the bullish pressure, man. Just keep pushing. TP2 is literally so close. Yeah, so far. There we go. Come on. It's about to hit it now. Alright, TP2 about to get hit. Alright, TP2 just got hit. Come on, 34,700. That's what I want. 34,700. Come on, hit that TP. I want the real TP. Oh, my alarm. Don't want that, man.
A real TP. Fuck.
Real TP.
Yeah.
No. You know what?
It's right there, bro.
It is. But then again, is it really? I don't know. I'm losing my mind, man. I've only been up for like an hour and a half. Not even an hour and 6 minutes. That's how long I've been live. There we go. 34,700.
Oh, come on. 8 pips, 7 pips, 5 pips, 4 pips.
Come
Right
on,
there, boy.
man.
Right there, boy. Ah,
So
come on.
close yet so far. So close yet
Have
so
it.
far.
Oh, please, Jesus. Come
I
on,
need this
smack.
TP3, man.
There we
TP3,
go.
man. TP3, man.
Hit a preset. Nice. I'm happy. I'm happy. Thanks, Andre, for that trade, man.
Of course, man. This is what we do. This is what we do. Oh,
No
yeah.
runner.
Oh, yeah. Nah, I'm leaving a runner. I'm a fiend.
Hey, I still got a US 30 runner, or still waiting to get to the 700 level. Might move trail it.
TP3 hit. I haven't had a TP3 in a while. I'm gonna move
Jeez,
my
bro.
runner stop loss to TP1.
Oh, yeah.
So it's not profit. Just so, you know.
Dude.
Matter of fact, I kind of want to take a little bit more off, low key. I'm gonna leave a little bit more just so I can make it a 3K day. So 3%.
Nice.
I got OCD, you know. That happens. You know what I mean? It'd be like that sometimes.
You're meticulous, motherfucker.
There we go. I just like seeing, now I can see a 3 for the day. So I made 2% on top of the 1% loss. See? Risk reward, man. Risk reward. See, that's patience right there. That's risk reward, I'm telling you, man. Risk reward's the holy grail. And look at that, it's just flying now. I'm gonna let the runner run to the previous day's high. See what that is from my arm? Patience. I could have lost that trade, but that's why you gotta give yourself always. That's why I told you, if you do one trade a day, you're gonna miss a lot of trades. So what I would recommend for you when you start doing the challenge is maybe lower the risk to 0.5% per trade instead of 1%. So now you can give yourself more chances at making it back without risking more. Because it's like this. If I would have left it at that, I could have missed this whole trade. And look at this. I made back the losses times 3. You know what I mean? Times 3, my boy. I'm up 203 pips.
Fuck, I should have just fucking had that little runner on that US 30. Motherfucker.
Always leave a runner. I've made it a habit to leave a runner. I never close out full position. I just leave it. Even though it might not always pay for it, I just like seeing the trade run, you know? I'm just a perfectionist like that, you know?
Yeah, dude, I need a fucking... I think it's FOMO, bro, when I just took all that, like... Oh, I had a TP set, so I can't be upset at my...
If you had a TP, then fuck it, yeah. But I never set TPs, honestly. I just know where I want to get out. Because your TPs never really get hit, honestly. That's why I just never set them. Is TP4 gonna get hit? Haven't had a TP4 in who knows how long.
What TP4, motherfucker? Man, fucking savage ass today, bro. TP2, oh, TP3, TP4, motherfucker, give it to me. Shit.
Patience right there. Good trade today. Good trade. Oh yeah, 1.9% for the day. If I was to take this runner off, I did 2.8% on the trade with taking the runners off and with what I'm running right now. So it's cool. I could have took off a full 3%, but I would have had a runner. It is what it is. Nah, risk reward, man. I'm telling you. Risk reward. 2 trades a day. One's either gonna be a win, one's gonna be a loss, or one's gonna be a win. I don't take another trade, or they're both gonna be a loss, and I have it a risk managed trade. But look at it on the grand scheme of things. Look, this is overall. Looks like it's gonna be a New York reversal. That's why I'm just letting it run. Cause I'm ideally want to target the previous day's high, target 34,800. Because if you look at NAS, that shit gone. So I'm just, US30 will probably follow a little bit later behind it. So I'm just letting it run. But that was a good trade, 1-3. My stop loss is in profit. I took off over what I lost for the first trade for sure. Like the first trade, I didn't even lose 1%, so I made it back a little bit more. But now I'm just gonna let it run. I'm gonna journal it. So here, I'm gonna actually just show you guys how I journal it while I'm here. That's why it's not pushing up. Stocks are down. Makes sense, but I think it's still gonna go up all the rest of the day. That's why I just left the runner. We'll see what happens. Regardless what happens, I'm in and out. Let me show you guys how I journal the trade. So I'm gonna open this. There we go. Right here, we're gonna go to trade journal. We're gonna go down to my trades. Gonna go all the way down. First day of the week. It was a US30. It was a US30 and NAS trade, but I'm only gonna put I'm gonna put both. Matter of fact, didn't mean to put that there. Oh. It was a bullish. Matter of fact, I'm gonna do this first. Just a winning trade. Bullish New York reversal. That was a trade. The confirmations, I had a fib long. I was below the 12 a.m. open. I went long after having the low of the day. Hold on. After New York session made the low / high of the day. What else was I doing? I was at 34,500 big figure level. So we have the big figure level. Plus we had that lower time frame order block rejection. And yeah, that's really it. And then from there, we just pushed. It took time, but US30 weren't a little bitch today. I'll give you that. Maybe it's a candle. I don't know. I'm gonna have to put that in my strategy now. You know, I gotta light a candle every time. Now I unlight the candle. I let it go in the air, and now maybe it goes back down. Who knows? What else? Green day. I had about a 1-3 for that trade, and I caught about 9.5% for that overall for the day, which is pretty good. Almost 2%. No biggie. I've won the last 3 days, so shit, we're doing good. Last few days I kept look, Martin, if you see the stream right now, the last few days we finally had some good trades, but mind you, a lot of them were on NAS. So, but I think trading them both and looking at them both I think that's the best option for me, honestly, because if one doesn't work, I could look at the other, and if one's working already, I can look at it for the other. It's like giving me multiple confirmation. Like, even though I missed NAS and I took the L, I moved on to US30 and was able to capitalize before the move even happened, just off the fact that I knew overall price was going to be bullish. I knew what I wanted to see confirmation wise, so I knew the overall directional bias, so I was already good. And now I put the screenshot of the trade, and then notes, good trade, 1-3, held full, held to full target, plus didn't over trade. So yeah, I haven't really had a problem over trading and stuff, because I'm really just like sticking to the rules of recently. Like, it's just 2 trades, 1 and done. And when you're looking at 2 pairs, it kind of makes it a little bit easier, because I'm not on 1 pair trying to like make trades up. You know what I mean? It's like, look, I missed this whole entire move. I got stopped out by this whole entire move trying to go short. I got stopped out. Then the market went short to my direction. Then it went to the bullish direction that I figured it would. Because mind you, like I said, based off higher time frames, the daily, everything was already bullish. But it was just a matter of fact that it wasn't looking bullish at the time. But now you see it. Everything's bullish going into that breaker block. More than likely going to target 14,800. And if you look at US30 on the higher time frames, similar thing. Everything was bullish. Ideally going to come up to, I say, 35,200. So I'm going to just let the runner run. If it stops me out, it stops me out. But I'm going to just let it do what it do. Journal my trade. I'm going to leave the markups here just so I can manage this trade. But overall, once it gets to 34,800, success. Yeah, we're almost at that TP4 too. Haven't had a TP4 like actually holding a trade in a while. We'll see.
That's a good move, bro.
Of course, risk to reward pays. That's why we trade these indices, man. That's why we trade indices, man.
TP got hit on US 100 too. I had it at 14,700. It's now at 14,720. But I'm happy, dude, with today's trade. It was a good analysis. Had target at the stop loss. The most max drawdown I was in like two. I'm not talking 2.5%.
We're up 235 pips, 236 pips.
Oof, bro, you're just
Fine. I'm just waiting for TP4, then I'm gonna end it. So I want to get the screenshot of it, like passing the 4R. You know, I told you I'm a fucking perfectionist, man.
This is your business, bro. You gotta.
Of course, I got a thirst trap. You know how people be thirst trapping with like naked pictures? Nah, I got a thirst trap with these chart pictures, man. They can be like, damn, he had a 1 to 4. What? On the 1 minute time frame? What?
But shit. How do you do that? How do you do
That's
that?
what I'm saying. On indices, oh man, this guy's crazy.
It's too volatile. There's no way he did that. How do you do that?
Oh, you fucking sold. Whatever. I got my 1 to 3 on. I'll let it run. Whatever happens, happens. I'm gonna just, you know, TP 35,000. We'll see what happens. I'm gonna just leave it up there. Even if it runs, I'm probably not even gonna take profit because the position is like the smallest possible. Like if the one thing with FTMO, the smallest lot size isn't the smallest lot size. Like it goes even smaller. Like a 0.01 isn't $1 per move. It's like a cent per move. It's like a cent. So like with the runner, I'm up $20. It's up 200 pips. I'm up $20. It's like the mini lots like on Forex basically.
Yeah, many lots. Hey man, to build consistency, like people don't take that shit for granted. You can't make $100, you know, trade it correctly. You're not gonna do it with $100,000. Leverage is nice, but the actual sticking to the target and system is what's important. Money will follow.
Nah, great Monday. Success. Took 1 L, took a W, but I made up for the loss times fucking who knows, times fucking 5, times 4. I don't know.
200 plus points right now.
We are up to like 220.
Jeez, man, that's a good fucking start of the week, bro.
No kizzy.
That's the previous day high.
That's what I'm saying. I'm waiting for TP4. Please. 4. It just shows you what's possible. Because now, with TP4 being hit, if I would have held full position, this just gives me more confidence to hold trades in the future type shit. That's why I like to have runners. It gives me confidence to hold trades. That's why you need to start leaving runners. Because when you take it all off, you never see trades run this high. And when you see it run this high, you're like, damn, imagine if I would have held it for a full position of 1 to 3 or a full position of 1 to 2. You're like, damn, I could make a lot of my losses back that way. That's why I say leave a runner. It's beneficial always. You get to catch the full move, and you also get to see what it's like to be in these full positions. Your full analysis playing out. You know what I mean?
Makes sense. Yeah, I'm gonna definitely start.
But like, look at the entry on this 15-minute time frame. Come on now. This was on a retracement too, mind you. This was on a retracement. So it retraced. We caught that wick, and then you feel me? You feel me?
It's like candles and wicks. Candles and wicks. Hey.
Stop rejecting, you little bitch. Go to TP4, man. God damn. I'm trying to take a shower so I can go to the gym, but it's like, all right, whatever happens, happens. All right, I'm off, but I'm just end it off here. I'm gonna let it run. Whatever. I'll let you guys know for his TP4 in the chat. If it doesn't, you'll know. You'll know what's up. But nah, done for the day. A good start to the week. At least we got our confidence for the week now. We don't got started off with on a bad tip. So that's one way to go about it. So if you enjoyed this, guys, make sure you like, comment, subscribe. Make sure you stay motivated by the fear of being average. And me and Martin will see you guys tomorrow morning, same time for the live session. We're gonna see what's up. Regardless what happens, one rule I have is I never risk more than the previous day's W. So no matter what tomorrow, I'm only gonna be risking profit. So even if I take a full 2 losses, I'm only risking what I already made today. So, you know what I'm saying? It's just you go into the week easy-minded, level-headed. You know what I mean? But come on, TP4, you know, you're getting there. You know, you're trying, man. You're trying to get there before I get off the stream, you know. I appreciate that. Come on. Just a little bit more higher. Just get to that previous high, 34,800, you know, we be good.
All right, later, Andre. My
Maybe not.
internet-
Nah, you good. I'll talk to you tomorrow morning. But nah, everyone, I'll see you guys too.